What's good with y'all, man? It's MET XRO, and today, man, I'm coming at y'all with another live trading video, and we back. So today we are going to be on the pair AUDUSD. I almost stutter, but I call myself. I ain't gonna lie. I need a round of applause or some shit, cause y'all always know I always be stuttering my ass off in these videos. But today we in a little AUDUSD JPY. What the fuck am I talking about? This is AUDUSD. The fuck I got going on? But yeah, we in AUDUSD on a 5 minute. So I'm just do my little intro, you know what I'm saying, shout everything out, and then I'm gonna get into the trade. So hey man, first things first, I want to appreciate y'all on all the support on all the videos, all the support y'all really been giving me, and I really appreciate that shit, like real shit. Like when I tell you this is our year, bro, I'm telling you, I'm putting some shit together that I never thought that I would be putting together. But along with that being said, if you ain't following me on Instagram, I ain't know if I wanted to say IG or Instagram, but fuck it. You finna hear me say IG instead of Instagram. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at METXRO. Just click the link in the description down below, bro. I'm real cool. Just let me know when you follow me. Be like, just shoot me a little DM. Be like, hey, bro, I'm from your YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with what you got going on. I fuck with your content. And boom, I'm gonna fucking follow you back. No cap. But yeah, man, I got a lot of things in the work right now, so we just chilling. We just chilling and just trying to get shit done. That's all we really trying to do. And shit, we just trying to be profitable while doing it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be out here, you know what I'm saying, doing other side shit, and I'm over here fucking up my trading. I gotta this shit gotta all be in sync. You know what I'm saying? So let me see. What pair we trading? AUDUSD. So yeah, let me hold on, let me get y'all right real quick. God damn, my shit lagging. Bro, my shit always be lagging, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But I saw like a decent setup. It's a real nice setup to me. You know, it's just like I always said, we always gonna go for the 1 to 2. We always gonna go for the 1 to 2. The 1 to 2 is not right there. This shit is right here. Yeah, so we gonna try to go for the 1 to 2, and I think I'm gonna just goddamn spit it out, my nigga. But I think I'm gonna just go over this trade after we end up hitting the 1 to 2. If we can hit the 1 to 2, I'm gonna just shut up, cause y'all know sometimes you be geeking and all this cheesing and smiling and shit in a good day, cause you in profit and shit. And then what happens? As soon as that shit reverse your way, you in a bad mood, and I fucking feel it. I hate that shit. Not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, man. We finna try to go for a 1 to 2 today. I'm not even gonna sit up here and just act like we finna win this trade. But like I say, I know a lot of people, not a lot of people, but sometimes people be like, "Yo, bro, you need to be more positive with like what the fuck 2 to 2, 1 to 2." A lot of people be like, "You need to be more positive when it trades." But I'm like, look, I'm not saying I'm gonna lose, but like I tell people a lot of the time, bro, if you not expect to lose, but if you just be like, okay, this trade could lose no matter how good it look, then a lot of the times you can, like, if you lose, you won't be mad, like on some real shit, on some real shit. So I just like to just accept reality. Like even if it's a good trade, even if it look good, it's still a possibility I could still lose. And I just like to keep shit real, and I don't like to just come on YouTube and just act like I'm fucking like I win every trade and shit like that. I'm not one of those. Real shit. But we are going with the trend. So it's in a downtrend right now, as you see. I got a couple confluences. I think I can just show y'all right here, to be honest with you. So yeah, one of our confluences is one that is under the SMA. Two, it's also so basically I drew up this little zone that looked like it was drawing some support, and then this candle right here that it broke through the support, I was like, okay, if it can close below it, I don't know why the fuck I'm doing this like a chef and shit, but I told myself, okay, if it closed below it, then I'm gonna really consider about getting in this trade for a sale. And what happened? You know what I'm saying? The next candle, it came to retest this zone, and then it just started breaking down to the downside. Now I ain't gonna lie, this is low key one of my favorite setups to see. And basically that's because like I've traded this setup a lot, And not to jinx it or anything, but it always do me decent most of the time. I'm gonna just shut up. Hopefully it can do me decent again and just break below this right here. Hopefully. Oh shit, where we going? But yeah, hopefully, you know what I'm saying. Hopefully, but it's been the momentum. The momentum definitely didn't change. Um, trying to see, cause it started making that again. You know what I'm saying? You want to try to be smart with this shit, you know, and that's what I try to do. But and we just gonna see. We just gonna see. Hopefully it can break. Cause I ain't gonna lie, if it go back to break even, I'm getting out. I could have took TP for what was it? I think it was 300, but I was just like, man, let's just let me just decide to stick to the 1 to 2. But yeah, that's really it. Support zone broken, entered off of the break of the wick, candle, whatever people want to call it. And it's just one of these setups that I used to see a lot, like back before I really got it into supply and demand trading. And it's just one of the setups that I like to see, and I like to hop into. But yeah, if y'all haven't followed me on IG, bro, go follow me on IG. I post everything on IG. I post literally everything on IG. If I win, lose, if I got something in the making, recording a video, shit like that. Just go follow me on IG. You know what I'm saying? Even if you got questions about trading, let me know. I'm saying all that type of shit. I respond back. I'm not fucking Hollywood. But watch out for the paid pages. I'm verified on Instagram, so if they don't got the blue check, it's not me. Um, I know I'm saying a lot because I'm really trying to watch this trade, and I really hope it go our way on some real shit. Let me make sure we ain't got no 9:30 news, because I promise you, I'm gonna cry if we got 9:30 news. Y'all gonna really see me break down. Y'all gonna be like, damn, what's wrong with his ass? He must have blew his account. No, it's just 9:30 news, bro. But just let me make sure. Let me make sure. I really want to see this candle we're right now just break below on some real shit. That's just me though. That's just me though. That's just me though. Let me see. Okay, that's fact. Yeah, we don't got no 9:30 news. So I'm just trying to. We are literally almost there. We literally almost right there. And I'm not gonna cap it to y'all though. We broke above it a little bit, just by a little. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. But I want to see it like hit this 1 to 2 right here. That's really what I want to see. No cap. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see if candles like this. I don't like. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm finna just. Yeah, nah. If we hit our 1 to 2, I'm getting out, bro. Hold on. Am I? Yeah, I'm calling it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm content with that, bro. I don't know. I just not in the 1 to 2, but shit. I don't know, man. Today I already took a loss, and I was just like, fuck it, and like I don't know, like I just don't know how to explain it, bro. I don't know how to explain it. It's just certain plays, like where this happens, like where it just goes straight down. It usually, well, I'm not gonna say usually, but it a lot of times wicks back up. But like I said, you never know. It's just the setups I've been in, and this candle, like a lot of this setups, like if it don't usually go up for a decent amount and have a decent wick, it usually gonna keep going. Like it'll go down, then it push back up, and I'm not trying to deal with that. But we just gonna I low key want to see what's gonna happen with this. It'll be lit if I could like show y'all live and be like, oh shit, it actually did what he was talking about. Like real shit. I ain't gonna lie. Also, yeah, I forgot. I was telling y'all about it, but I will be dropping a YouTube, like a 4 to 10 video playlist on just like my full strategy. And maybe I'm fucking wrong, but hey, keep going crazy. You go crazy. I'm done. We took profit. That was like a what? I don't even know how much win. I'm not even gonna cap, but I'm thinking about making a 4 to 10 unlisted video playlist on YouTube, and having people just pay for it. Like, I'm not really trying to make a full course, because I know a lot of people ask me, hey bro, can you like just make like a breakdown on how you really trade? And I'm like, it took me a good ass minute to like really put all this shit together. And like I gave away a lot of free shit. You know what I'm saying? I gave y'all like a lot of tips, a lot of psychology shit, and just all a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of live video trades and shit, right? So I don't know the pricing yet. I don't know how many exact videos I will have in it, but being, you know what I'm saying, we got the little notebook right there. It's all in works, along with the Discord group chat, all that shit, bro. All that shit. It's in works, man. But you know what I'm saying, like I said, the 1 to 2s do be getting hit. I didn't catch the 1 to 2 because I was kind of iffy, and it's Friday, bro. I'm chilling. I'm cool with my little win. You know, I'm cool. I'm cool with my little win right here, bro. Hold on. We gotta adjust the stop loss just to hold on. Yeah, we gotta adjust the stop loss just to make sure everything cool. But hey, man, like I said, but this is a beautiful ass trade. I'm explaining it just again because I ain't gonna lie, it's different from a lot of supply. I feel like a lot of people on my channel is supply and demand traders. So like I said, for one thing, we in the downtrend. For two, I saw this little. It was like support. It was like support, and then it's just this candle where them two can. Man, I'm giving y'all free sauce. I'm giving y'all some free sauce right now, bro. Just listen up. Just listen up, bro. So 2 candles made a support, right? Now that third candle is able to break below and close below this zone. I always wait for the next candle to come up, and then once it break below this candle, I'm in. I'm going for a 1 to 2 most of the times, and usually it hit. But that's it for this video. I just really want to just break that down real quick, and hope y'all understand. If not, try to replay the video, and if y'all don't really understand it, just hit me on Instagram. I'll really walk you through it. Like, I really don't care. But hey, man, that's really it for today. That was a small, quick trade on AUDUSD, and that's all I really got to say. And hopefully y'all ain't blow y'all accounts today. Blow y'all accounts. Hopefully y'all got y'all a good little dub. You know what I'm saying? Go spoil yourself with a little Wendy's 4 for 4. Even though it's probably not 4 for 4 anymore. It's probably like $8.12 because you know inflation. But hey, man, that's all I got to say. Ain't shit else to say. Click off the video, bro. We done.